You want to know the secret? The real difference between people who just exist and people who elevate? It's not luck, it's not timing. It's what they do when no one's watching every morning. That first one, see, your morning isn't just a routine, it's your launch pad. It's the spark that decides whether you live the day or the day lives you. Let's break this down. 6 simple truths, 6 powerful shifts. You want to know the secret? The real difference between people who just exist and people who elevate content? It's not luck, it's not timing, it's what they do when no one's watching. Every morning, that first one, the world glorifies the big wins, the awards, the applause, the success stories. But what we don't see is the quiet consistency behind it all. The 1% habit that compounds into greatness. It's not about waking up at 5 a.m. or drinking green juice. It's about ownership, the decision to begin every single day on your terms, because your morning isn't just a routine. It's your foundation, your launch pad, your mirror. The first few moments after you wake up set the emotional temperature for everything that follows. And the truth is, if you don't choose your focus, the world will choose it for you. That first one, how you think, how you breathe, how you move, can shift everything that happens next before the world floods your phone with noise. Before the opinions, emails, and expectations of others crash into your peace, you decide who you are. That first choice defines the next 99. Are you reacting or are you leading? Are you reaching for your phone or reaching for your purpose? Most people wake up and surrender to chaos before they've even stood up. But that 1% is to their power. They choose differently. They create intention before the world. They ask themselves one simple question: what energy am I bringing to my own life today? That single question transforms confusion into clarity. It separates those who drift from those who direct. Because success doesn't start when you show up to work. It starts when you open your eyes. Your morning is the declaration of how seriously you take your own life. That first hour of your day is sacred. Guard it like a queen guards her crown. No notifications, no distractions. This is where you tune in, not to the world, but to yourself. Think of it as sacred space. Your personal ceremony with purpose. Read something that feeds your soul. Move your body. Breathe deeply. Journal your gratitude. Do anything that reminds you you're alive and powerful. When you own your morning, you command your power. People can feel it, the confidence that comes from inner alignment. The world responds differently when you walk in tuned energy. It's not arrogance, it's clarity. The kind that can't be shaken by external noise. You become less reactive, more grounded, more deliberate. That's what owning your morning truly means. It's not about control, it's about connection. Connection with yourself before you face everyone else. Movement is the next key. Energy isn't found, it's uncreated. Every morning, move. Even when you don't feel like it, especially when you don't feel like it. Movement is a signal to your brain that you are ready to engage, to show up, to live fully. It's not just about fitness, it's about awakening. When you move your body, you release stagnation. Physical, emotional, mental. You're not just stretching muscles. You're stretching your limits.
दोस्तों, क्या आपके एमएस ऑफिस सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर ये वाला ऑप्शन है? ध्यान से देखो, इसे कहते हैं को-पायलट। मैं गारंटी के साथ बोल रहा हूं कि आपके पास नहीं होगा। ये आपके पास कब आएगा? 5 साल बाद। लेकिन मेरे लाखों स्टूडेंट इस ऑप्शन को यूज करके घंटों का काम मिनटों में कर रहे हैं।
Can transform your state. The moment your blood flows, your thoughts sharpen, your confidence rises. You go from I can't to let's go. That shift is powerful because it's not about perfection, it's about participation. You're reminding yourself, and I'm capable. I'm in charge. The body leads and the mind follows. You don't wait for motivation, you generate it through motion. And that's how transformation begins, by doing something, not waiting for something. Then comes the inner dialogue, the most powerful conversation you'll ever have. The way you talk to yourself in the morning defines how you face the world. You can't pour courage into your day with self-doubt in your voice. You must learn to speak to yourself like you would to someone you love. Stand before that mirror and declare your truth. Not empty affirmations, but powerful acknowledgements of your strength. Say, I'm not my past, I'm not my fear, I am becoming. Every word you speak creates a ripple in your reality. Words shape emotion. Emotion shapes action. Action shapes destiny. That's the sequence most people miss. You have to feed your mind with language that lifts you, because the world will always try to pull you back to average. Every morning is your chance to choose growth over doubt, purpose over hesitation. Speak life into your day before anyone else speaks into you. Once your energy and mindset are aligned, focus on clarity, not perfection. Most people start their mornings buried in to-do lists, chasing productivity but losing purpose. Stop, simplify. Write down the 3 things that matter most today. Just 3. Because productivity without intention is just noise. When you focus on what truly moves your life forward, you create momentum instead of exhaustion. Your morning should make you feel anchored, not anxious. It's not about getting everything done. It's about getting the right things done. Perfection is an illusion. Purpose is power. You don't need to conquer the world before breakfast. You just need to conquer your mind. Create a rhythm that feels true to you. Let your morning be your reminder that you are not running behind. You are right on time for your own evolution. And finally, do one brave thing. Just one. The 1% habit isn't about coffee or cold showers, it's about courage. Every morning, challenge yourself. Say the thing you've been afraid to say. Start the idea that's been whispering in your heart. Send that message. Speak that truth. Take that step. Bravery compounds like interest. The more you practice courage, the stronger your identity becomes. You begin to recognize yourself as someone who acts despite fear. That shift changes everything. You stop waiting for the perfect time and start realizing unto you are the perfect time. Because every act of courage, no matter how small, creates momentum that carries through your day. The 1% habit is not about routine, it's about identity. Every morning, you're deciding the kind of person you're becoming. Are you the person who hesitates or the one who chooses? Every sunrise gives you a choice, repeat or rise. You can live on autopilot, replaying yesterday's patterns, or you can rise and rewrite your story. That one habit, that single moment of awareness becomes your edge. The moment you decide to start your day with power, intention, and courage, everything around you starts to shift. Because transformation doesn't happen in the grand gestures, it happens in the quiet commitment to show up differently every single morning. That's the 1% that compounds into mastery, success, fulfillment. Don't underestimate it. Don't postpone it. Start tomorrow as if your future depends on it, because it does. The world doesn't change when you wake up. It changes when you do. Before the world floods you on your screen, there's a sacred window, small, quiet, and powerful. That first breath you take when you wake up is your moment of choice. The moment you decide who you are going to be today. Most people give it away too easily. They wake up and instantly hand over their peace, their focus, their intention to a glowing screen filled with someone else's priorities. Before they've even spoken to themselves, they've already let the world decide how they feel. That is the tragedy of modern life. We've forgotten that our first thoughts build our reality. But here's the truth, the first choice you make every morning, NG defines the rest of your day. That choice might seem small, like checking your phone or lying in bed for 5 more minutes. But those small choices are powerful patterns. They're statements to your subconscious about what matters most. And if the first voice you hear each morning is not your own, you've already silenced your inner power before the day begins. The 1% who rise differently. They understand that the first moments of the morning aren't about reaction, they're about creation. They don't open their phones, they open their minds. They don't scroll, they breathe, reflect, and choose. They decide consciously what kind of energy they will carry into the day. Because they know that life doesn't respond to wishes, it responds to energy. And your morning energy is the foundation of everything you will think, say, and do. If you start with chaos, you'll spend your day chasing calm. If you start with intention, you'll move through the world with quiet power. So ask yourself, every single morning, what energy am I bringing to my own life today? That single question is your anchor. It transforms confusion into clarity. It takes you out of autopilot and back into awareness. You start seeing your mornings not as something to survive, but something to shape. You start noticing how your choices stack, how the way you start your